Hey, it's Mudslinger for a bike check. So I got a stolen frame, stolen cherry. I have crown valve caps. I got those off Dance Comp sticker. Stolen Revolt rims, Kenda tires that I'm soon to be upgraded to white or orange wall. So, stolen seat. I got these handlebars from my friend. Lives down the road. Shadow Ravager PC pedals. Treco brake. I need new forks. I got a little bit smaller sprocket, but I like to run a big sprocket. And ODI grips, long neck grips, made in USA. Best way to go. So that's my bike. And thanks for watching.